Hi guys, I am back with a new tutorial. Actually, 3ds Max Basic. It is still in a basic, so this is tutorial number 7. So here actually we go in a perspective view. So in here we will learn the detail about the cloning objects. Okay, so what is cloning? Cloning is we basic understanding is cloning is copying. So something you make an exact copy of the original piece is called we all know it's cloning, right? So Max has dialog box or operation called cloning. So let's say if we can have a box here, let's say we create a box here. Okay, so yeah, we can change. Oh, by the way, if we create, if we dislike the color, we can change the color like here. If see the rectangle box of the color beside the name. Okay, we can take a color, any color of this. Let's say this one. Okay, the green. Okay, yeah, we can change according to any color we want. So yeah, it will respond according to the color selection. So let's say we pick this color. Okay, yeah, so this is a box, and we are noticing the parameters is okay, one by one segment, and this is the roughly dimension of this one. So okay, now let's say we want to clone this object. So what we can do, we can go to, there is two options. We can go to the modify, see the edit button here, and go to the clone option. So the clone option is pop up here. Okay, so you are going to have the clone option is three options, like a copy, an instance, and the reference. Okay, so the copy is, let's say we want to copy this box. So we want to select the copy option, and we just click on OK. So what is happened just now? If we select it and we drag any sides, there will be another copy, like you see. Or if we drag in like this, so what just happened? The thing is, I just delete one. So the thing is, if we select this one and we just click on edit and a clone, and then we just click on copy and a box 2, so just okay, so it just make the exact copy on the same position. So that's why we can't see the copy object. So like it's exactly on top of the original thing. So the building box 2, you see. So you can go up, you can side by side, you can do that. So this option will make exactly the copy. Let's say I'll take another, let's say the sphere. Okay, so I want to make a copy. Let's say, yeah, I want to make a copy. So the edit clone option, just make a copy. Okay, so what just happened? This is exactly a copy is made on the same spot. So that's why there is two sphere actually. You just copy the thing. So if we just drag it beside, you see another copy, the exact copy is come out. Okay, so this option in a 3D environment, we have to do a lot of this operation, copy and instance and all that. So there is a shortcut for this operation. So this is very handy, and everybody is using this one. Nobody is actually using this edit option, and So you can do it in a click actually. So what is the shortcut option? Just select this one, press the shift button, and you just drag the handle, let's say in a y-axis or z-axis or z-axis or a x-axis. So you just click one. Let's say I want to make a copy in a y-axis and a left hand side. Okay, so just click one, press the shift button, and boom, this is one copy. Click, this is two copy. Click, this is three copy. Okay, click, this is four copy. And every time we make a copy, this dialog box is appearing that oops, sorry, this is not copying actually. Sorry, this one, make the copy. Make sure not the reference or instance. I will come back to you. This is the copy. Okay, copy, 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 and the copy. Okay, so right now, so we understand what how to copy this thing. So there is three options, right? So this is the original one. So this is the, make it a copy. Again, make it a instance again, and make it reference. So what is the difference? This is the original one. Okay, so this is the copy of that original one. So what is the difference? The difference is in parameter. So if we go to the parameter, we can, in original part, we can tweak or edit the parameter according to our size, like this. But let's say what happens in this three. Let's say this is an individual object. It is not linked up with this three, but that's why it's only this is happening. Only the parameter is changing, and the box is changing. So let's say I want to change this one. See what happened? See, why is this happening? Because of these two boxes are linked up with this one. Okay, these two boxes are linked up with this one. So if you're gonna increase the size of whatever operation you're gonna do, this other two boxes will be followed, because of this one is instance and this one is reference. Reference is kind of same thing, but it's a slightly different from the instance. But actually we use instance a lot. So the difference is the instance is the follow the original piece. Okay, so let's say you have to increase the segment of that. You see, you have to you have to increase the segment of this. You see, the instance is following. So whatever changes the original piece will do, the instance and the reference will follow. So we use actually, you don't have to pay a lot of attention with the reference, but you must pay with the attention with the instance. So let's say you want to unlink this. Let's say I want to, okay, go on. There is an option to unlink. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So the instance is now following. Okay. You see, this one is okay. This one is let's say the instance option. So you can do it. Let's say you go to the box option, and you just right click, make unique option. Okay, there's a make unique option. So now this is not linked, so you can do whatever changes and whatever things. Okay, This will not affect. And this one is actually whatever situation is list up here. So now it is out of the, out of the modifier, and out of the only the modifier is this one. So this one. So right now you have a unique option, but in this one you only have to, custom attributes or collapse all. So it's gone. So we don't use, actually, you don't have to use the reference things. Actually, the all the modifier is stacked in here. So then you can change, tweak this box. So the handy part is only the, instance and the copy. So copy is individual. Copy is individual. So this is a copy, and this is the oh, sorry, this is a copy. This is a copy. This is if you make a copy, this will not link up with this. But if you make an instance, this will link up. So the copy is thing. A copy has another option that you can set the number of copies. Let's say I want to make a box, 10 boxes or 20 boxes like this serial. So what we can do, we can create a copy of this, and we can define the number. Let's say 10. Put 10 here. Okay, see what happens. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 boxes because of the copy, and a 10 boxes. So if you want to make, let's say, if you want to make 10 boxes, so obviously you have to go for 9. Put 9 here. So this is exactly 10 boxes, and the same distance. The gap is same. You see that this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, the direction. Okay, so I think okay for now. So we learned about the copying thing, the detail about copying thing, and what is the difference between copy, instance, and references. So we don't use the reference thing a lot. But we use, most common thing is copying and the instance. We learn about if some object is an instance, how we can make it unique. It is necessary. If it is necessary, then we have to do it. We have to tweak the parameters. So these two options, and we learn about how to run the clone option. So just drag an object in a 3D object and make a shift copy. Make a shift and drag the pointer, so the clone option will come up. And also we can do it by the edit option here, clone option. So this is a basic operation. So thank you guys. I will come back again. Thank you very much.